What's up? Can you guys hear me? Music seems to be a little too loud. Oh, we got 12 people in here. I wasn't expecting anyone to show up. It's been a dead day right now. How's it going? T13, GE, how you guys doing? Let's see what poll I can come up with. What's up, Ronald? Yeah, did you see the update I just did on the channel? I mean, there's no telling. There's absolutely no telling where these things are actually going to go. But that's kind of the reason we do this here. That way you guys can see the very conservative targets. Yeah, AI tech, people are calling for anywhere from 5, and a lot of people are calling for $10 on that thing. I don't know if that's going to happen this cycle, but that's why you got to do your research. A lot of these coins, these newer coins, they have to establish themselves. Dude, did we drop? What happened here? Oh, that's the daily or 3-day candles. Yeah, why does this look like this? What am I doing? AI tech. That's odd. I just updated this and I don't remember these candles being below this yellow line. Yeah, VVA. Let's see here. Maybe it was the weekly time frame I was looking at it on. I don't know, that's odd. Yeah, did that VVA coin, it got stuck last night, I remember. Yeah, this thing's all over the place. But it is back testing. It broke out and it back tested, so I would say this thing needs to start going up now. What's up, Mickey? Might see that money rotation into ETH. Yeah. What's up, Muffin Man? How you doing? What's up, RH? Now we're in the same boat we were yesterday. There's nothing happening. Nothing at all happening in the market. So this will probably be another short stream. Cardano, what is ADA doing? Nothing probably. Well, she's bouncing back up. Yeah, why does everything on the 3-day chart have this divergence on it? I never used to use divergence, but I mean, Cardano is still bullish. You're over 92, back over the low high 236. You just broke out of the falling wedge here, and it just appears you back tested and you're holding. Time to go up. I don't know about Cardano. Is it going to make a new high? Is Cardano actually going to double what it used to be? Come up here to 630, 640, 229 billion market cap. The overall chart doesn't look bad. If you just zoom out and look at it. But a nice little bounce and a nice hold on that support level. Needs to get over the 618 at $1.13 to confirm. It probably needs a monthly close. Yeah. A lot of times if you just go out to the monthly, you can see exactly why we're getting stuck here. Need to get a monthly candle to close over this 618 over $1.13 here. And then you're in business for a bull run. Or at least some sort of a run. But it's holding over the 0.5. Maybe we just need to focus on the macro monthly chart from now on. And just hold. But yeah, we're doing the same as yesterday. There's nothing to be bullish about. The bottoms look like they need to be put in on pretty much everything, but we're not moving. We're not moving and we're holding on for dear life at the moment. Arrow. Oh no, Arrow's dying, huh? Jeez. That's it. Arrow, she went and broke down. She lost the 382 support, the 618. She's below $1.20. She's getting stuck right at it for resistance now. I guess that's it. It's over. It's all pack it up. You are no longer bullish on Arrow. Yeah, if it breaks this area here, these lows, which it's almost doing right now. Wow. Yeah, it's holding the 0.5 at 107. Any lower than 107, then it's going down. Damn, I can't believe Arrow's breaking down again. So, Velo, what is Velo doing? Velo, let's see. Yeah. I almost didn't even stream. Because we're just... This is horrible. What's up, Hala? Hello from Cali, he says. Oh, you're in California? You getting any of those fires over there? Looks bad over there. We were getting blasted with snow here and y'all were burning. Yeah, Velodrome here. We said this, I think, last night. If you keep breaking down, it's probably just coming all the way back to the trend here. You just broke the 618, and you're getting stuck at it, just like Arrow. So I guess this 3-day hidden divergence that's supposed to be bullish is just a trick, because we're still just breaking down here. Velo still looks good. Velo protocol. This thing's still holding up. Looking like a big cannon about to blast off. So these coins that were already dying are probably just death now. Win Myro. Oh, Myro's trying to hold. Myro's still holding. $18 people here. Everyone please hit the like button for me. Streams have been so bearish lately. Revenue's down. Super chats are down. At least hit the like button if you will. I appreciate it. Arrow is too big to fail. Yeah, it's not gonna fail, but sure as hell is gonna fall. Or it is falling. So what is the big players doing? Is XRP and XLM and HBAR holding up still? Yeah, why is this thing pumping and everything else is dying? I guess all the money's flowing into XRP. Yeah, XLM's pumping. HBAR starting to move a little. Still looking very bullish in the bull flag. Hold on. All right, we're back. I don't know, maybe right now, maybe the play is since everything doesn't look great at all, get out of everything and just buy XRP, XLM, and HBAR. Because they're holding up very well here, and they're in these bullish continuation patterns. I don't think these things came all the way up here to just die again, especially this consolidation like you see on HBAR, XRP. Is that what you said, Arbitrum? I appreciate the 2, my man. Finally got a super chat. Time to end the live stream. Arbitrum. Phoenix pumped. Let's see. Arbitrum. You're holding the 0.5 low to the high right now, so your support is 7.2 here. I get this to stick. Come on. I mean, it's holding up, but it's coming down still. You're still holding higher lows and higher highs. Pretty much any lower than the 0.5 here, then this little steep uptrend is going to break. So 7 has to hold, I would say, or it's going to break down like everything else. What are we on, a weekly? And you can clearly see this one on the trend on the 0.5 support, higher high or higher low, and then a lower low on the stock RSI. So we had that bullish divergence on this one too. I don't know, it looks like to me everything wants to bounce. Besides the stuff that's holding up like this, that looks good, like Velo, XRP, XLM, HBAR, SEI, AI Tech. I can't remember any others at the moment, but all these are holding. And they need to bounce now or they're going to die. But yeah, you're holding 7.2, must hold support. If not, this thing's going to end up dropping. You see 618236, 14%. But if you can move up, where are you? You're below the 382, so you're no longer bullish. 11% to accomplish getting over 83, and then the 0.5 at 102, and then ultimately where it keeps getting stuck here, 618, 125. That's where I got stuck back in May. And then Arbitrum, possibly new high 347 or 387 rather. So maybe Arbitrum comes up in here and hits $4 and just over about a 14 billion market cap and does a 5x. I don't know what the people say, what they say about Arbitrum. What's up, No Whack? Welcome back. Phoenix pumped. Cartoon Vault says opinion on Arrow. Yeah, we just looked at Arrow. Arrow's right now, as of right now, Arrow's done for now. It's below the 618. It's below the low to the high 382. It's no longer bullish. And it's no longer confirmed breakout. The only thing you have left is you're sitting right on, what was it, the 0.5? I don't remember. Where did we draw this at? No, it wouldn't be there. Ultimate low to the high. You're down below. You see 61832 getting stuck at it as resistance. So if you break this low here, then it's over. Which it doesn't look the greatest at the moment. Yeah, if we pull it to here, it's where you're sitting on the 0.5 at about 107. But does not look great. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my voice. Starting to go out. Phoenix pumped. Oh, she did. Still below the 382 on this one, but she did get a nice little move. Large wick forming, that's it. Top is in, lower high. Made the lower high, and that's it. But as long as you're above 5.0, the bottom is in. You're sitting right on the 382 right now, so she's trying to stay bullish. I know this is not accurate because it's not sitting on your right. Little 4-hour candles. But anyway, you're just, yeah. As long as you're below 5.4, you're no longer bullish, especially off of that wick. It may come right back down to where it came from. So as long as you're below that, hopefully you took profit, 13% drop or so. Yeah, I thought they said you can buy Velo on Uphold. I haven't checked into that, but that's what I heard. I'll have to see if it is on Uphold. Yeah, this Velo looks so good here. Man, can't believe Arrow and all these coins are starting to die. We got Ansol for 2. I appreciate that. Vidaria Virtuals. Yeah, I think we looked at that one. Oh yeah, we didn't look at Vader last night. Someone was asking for Vader. Or is this Vader? Oh, I guess this is Vader. going on with this one? Let's see. Daily candles, high to the low. Yeah, it's holding the previous high, so it's in a good spot. As long as you're holding 7, you're holding this previous high. If it goes lower than that, then it's just going to die. But it's not in a bad spot. Overall chart, higher highs and higher lows. It just made a nice pullback. Yeah, and you're holding right at the 382 area too. So I would just say keep it simple. As long as you're over 7, you're bullish here. Let's do one step further. Let's go from the ultimate low. Oh yeah, now you're sitting right on the 236. So every way you draw it, you're bullish here. 6, 7 up to 7. Does not look bad. And on top of all that, you are holding right at the trend. So this thing should move up from here. Yeah, this should be it. Time for Vader to move back up. Holding all the right spots here. So new high, it's going to come up to the 2 area, 25.5. 3.5x incoming. Everyone pile into Vader. Damn, it sucks I don't have no money yet. Just something like this looks like an easy 3.5x on your money right now. Not guaranteed, not financial advice, but everything that I just said right there, it looks good. What's up, Jad B? What's up, Nowak? I already said Nowak. Altcoin. Ibrahim. Eldor. Yeah, Eldor's here. Slava. But yeah, I appreciate the 2 there, man. Where's Matthew at? I think Matthew has this one, doesn't he? Hold on. Yeah. If I had the money, I would put money on this thing right now. Vidaria. What was the other one we're looking at? XCN. Well. Any chance it goes to 227? $2.27. Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, there's a chance. I mean, trying to see if that's what you're talking about. If it performs like the other ones, I mean, like I said, the overall chart here does not look bad at all. It's new. It's just slowly making its way up. Dang it. But I think we said this last time. These virtual coins just keep climbing, so it could come to the top of the fib here, I guess. Hit $5 and do a 60x. Jeez. As well, dying. I don't know. These coins are just waiting for me, I guess. They gotta wait till I get paid so I can get in. Oh yeah, Wells at the box. At our green support box. Must hold. Could this be the bottom? It could be. What are we on the weekly, 3-day chart? Yeah, this is your must hold price on Well right now. Tagged it perfectly too. It's nice to see. Make sure we're still live, but you can see that's the low to the high 382. Any lower than this, then Well's done. It's going to pull an arrow and disappoint. Yeah, because if it breaks this box here, then pretty much is going to tell us that it's coming back down to the trend slowly. You know, drop all the way back down to the 618 and drop 45% over time, just like it did back here, all the way back down. Yeah, I would just say keep it that simple. It needs to hold over 45 and get back over 56 to 64. But there's really no way to tell if it's going to hold or not. I didn't see no divergence or anything. Dang it, I got to cough again. XCN was holding up. Did she die? No, she's still holding. XCN's still in the same spot. It looks good. It's really not doing anything but sitting here. If you look at it on the smaller, it kind of looks like the Velo chart. The Velo's up here. But Velo made a higher high, so that, never mind. I'm not going to compare it to Velo. XCN's in a good spot as long as you're over this 2.6 level. You're over the 236, you look good here, and I believe you're over the, if we go from this high to the low, if I get it to move, 618, yeah. So you're over the 618, so it looks good here. And not too late to pile into XCN, 618 retracement, 600 million market cap is an 8x to 2, 20x all the way up to 5.5 pennies, 1.82 billion market cap there. And then if you want a moonshot on this thing, just hold, take your profit, and then see if this thing's going to hit the new high. 27 billion market cap for a 320x. It's about 88 cents. ABT. Oh, I get you. The 2272. I didn't even see that. I'll look real quick and then we'll go look at whatever he said. Oh yeah, there's a real good chance. If this was a couple of months ago, I didn't used to have this 2 and this 3 level on here, so I would have just simply said new highs coming up, 2272 is ready, 36. About to do a 5x. But it could do what it's been doing, unless it's going to have major, or not major, large candle spawn in and take it to the moon. Come up here and hit this, and then do this again, and then you get the idea. But these virtual coins, they just seem to keep climbing. Arc Block and Carrot. Is Carrot dying? There's no way ABT's dying, is it? No. Oh, she's still holding. Yeah, she's still holding them nicely. There's another one if I could buy. I would buy Arc Block right now. She's holding over the 786 and the 2 here. So 117 to 122 is holding. It's still making the slightly, just slightly higher low here. Still inside the pattern. Still looks extremely good. As long as you're over that, Arc Block is good here. I know PNG is still holding up, but I just want to take a quick look at it. Yeah, PNG still holding strong. What's up, God? Will VVA hit 14 cents anytime soon? Let's see. Let's go back to the daily. I mean, this thing goes up. This thing's very volatile, as he said. Only thing I can say on VVA here is it broke out of the triangle pattern and it's simply back testing, holding support over 6. So it should move up from here. If you fall lower, back down below the 618 at 5, then but anyway, if it falls lower than the, yeah, if we draw here, you're sitting right on the 382 at 5.8. So if we get a daily close below 5.8, then it's probably done, and it won't go back up. But like I said, it's in a good spot. It's back testing, and if it bounces up from what we see on the thing here, next stop up should be 18. Daily candle, so it could get there in a week if it wanted to, or in a day. You get the idea. Dang it. Man, my voice is going out and I'm coughing more again. What's up with that? Come on, I'm fighting it. Carrot, mobile. Everyone, please hit the like button for me. Yeah, 3-day candles already closed below. At daily candles, you're getting stuck at the 786 already. Final support level did not hold, but we do have a weekly candle here, so it could still technically 1 day and 2 hours left hold up over this with the body at 31. So that's maybe your only hope right now on carrot, because right now it's below it, below the final support. So technically right now this thing can come down to the low, drop 16-17%, and if you fall lower, new lows in play potentially. Yeah, carrot's one of the ones that didn't hold. What was one of the other ones? I don't remember. Helium Mobile looks horrible. Nothing looks bullish on it right now. You're down below the 236. A lava candle is spawned in. You're dropping. Let's see if this one's going to hold the final support. So no longer bullish. Down below the 236. The bottom is not confirmed in on the macro. Yeah, you're coming right up to the 786 right now. So 3079 or 308 has to hold, or it's just going to continue to go down. But as we can see, if we go down to a smaller time frame so you can see, it's pretty much the trend is right here. So must hold price on mobile here coming up. But this is what I keep saying, a lot of things are at this point and some things are breaking down. Yeah, if all these coins we're watching start breaking down, we're not going up anytime soon. Yeah, the stock RSI is falling here, so yet again, you're making higher lows, and the stock RSI is about to make a lower low, so you do have that bullish divergence there, that hidden divergence on mobile, but right now she's dying down. So what did I say? Yeah, so expect another 8% drop here. And then mobile, where's this thing going? 1.7 billion market cap to 2 pennies. That's not bad. 29x. New high at 1.5 pennies would be a 20x. But yeah, must hold. Desync. What's up, Sean? Are you saying Are you saying Arrow's no longer bullish? Desync, but yeah, no, Arrow just took out supports. It's no longer from the whole chart, ultimate, low, high. Oh, you're down below, let's see. You're down below the 382,618. If we pull it up to here, we're sitting right on the 0.5, depending on how you want to draw this. But overall macro, no, you're not bullish anymore. The only thing that can be bullish on Arrow right now, let me just get this off, is if you don't break this here, which it looks like it may be broken already, the trend. But what I'm talking about is the lows here. Once you break structure, which it looks like it's already doing. So I'll keep it simple. I'll just draw from this wick to that little candle body where the candle just hit. New box to hold. If it breaks below if you see this thing below this box, then it's no longer anyway bullish. So it double topped back here and now it's dying. I always spell this wrong. Damn, I thought we'd get a bounce today. Destra. Oh, Destra's done. We're going to look into the future on this one. She's holding over the previous high from what chart we have here. When did this thing come out? This thing hasn't done anything yet, but it just double topped. So keep it simple. If you fall below 36, then that double top's coming into play. Even though it did make a slightly higher high, it's still a double top here. Yeah, you're just below the 236 also. Like just below it. This little candle is just getting squeezed from the previous high to the 236 here. So it's either going to get squeezed back up or it's going to get squeezed and melt away. And then 31 is your last support to hold to be bullish. Yeah, so you're either about to drop 17 to 30%, or if you can get back over 38 and a half, 387, and come back up here, a 40% move back up, but it really needs to break through those highs. Ooh, I'm fighting the cough. Yeah, I guess I need to do a VVA and a Destra chart. You guys ask for these all the time. Dave says ABT's killing me. A Leo, isn't that the coin that was dying? ACS. ACS, it looks good still. We did an update on it the other day. Bottom is confirmed in, but you're not bullish yet. You're still just sitting here. It moved up just a little bit from the other day, but until you break over the 3-2 and break these two highs here, 4-3 up to 4-7, you're still in a downtrend. No bull run until you get over 009. But yeah, I was looking into this one. Create content on their blockchain or whatever it is, and stake and earn coins. I'm trying to think of what I was trying to type in. But yeah, ABT still holding up. Oh yeah, Leo. Yeah, this is the one that was just going down. Oh god. Yeah, this thing is done. Or how they say, it's cooked. It's just completely dying here. It just lost a 2 support. Now 5 is next. Okay, I almost died. Let me move this over. Yeah, does anyone own this thing? It looks horrible. Just short this thing to 0. Wonder why it's dying like that. What's up, William? He says SD. Bounce looks like what happened on Monday. SD. Yeah, that coin there is going in the wrong direction for 2025. Not a Leo. This one's a DIA, I think. What was I gonna look at? Oh, SD. DIA. Technically doing nothing, still kind of bullish, below the double 382, low to the high, and the larger one. So as long as you're below 71 up to 74, you're no longer bullish here, short term or long term. But you are still holding in our pattern. Other than that, the 0.5 is your support down to the 618. But I would say the 0.5 needs to hold if this pattern is going to hold up at 5.9. Any lower than that, then it's not going to be bullish as we want it to be. Now that you're below the 382s, and you'll drop 30% to 45. But if you can get back over 75 here and hold, that could tell you're about to break out. DIA. And then this one, potential 20x to the new high, 1272 at 14, maybe 15 bucks. About a 22x. I'm having to shift my stupid computer. What was that, DIA? SD, Stater. Yeah, we just need to get the ball rolling already. We've been doing nothing for too long. You can see SD here. Once this thing gets over the 382, it gets stuck every time it comes up here. That may be the point where this thing takes off. And yet again, another one, strong move up, and you can easily just draw the little consolidation triangle pattern, continuation. It's just waiting. So the bottom is in over 7.3, bullish once you get over 148, 150 here. Like I said, this thing may take off. We saw the same thing on, what was it, LCX, where multiple years of getting stuck at the same level, and then once it finally broke through, it just went. So that could be the case here with SD. And it may be gearing up right now to do that. Uh-oh. Sitting right on the 236. So she is bullish inside of the pattern, holding up. I think what do we see this on? DGen was in a bullish pattern, and then once it got over and held that bullish support, she went. So if you stay over 115, 148 to 150 is your price to beat. SD is about to go. Wait. If it holds here. That reminds me, no one asked for DGen anymore. What is DGen doing? Yeah, Degen's doing exactly what we said it was going to do. If it holds support here and holds up, it's just going to go sideways and do nothing. We still bearish for BTC, I guess. Let's see. Bitcoin. I mean, we're still doing nothing with BTC. It's still just sitting here. 94, 95K. It's going sideways. It did just make a lower low. People are calling for 84, 85K, so it could be the case, I guess. So why that number? Why are they calling for 84? There's nothing here. Be more likely this thing dropped down to 70K. Oh man, could you imagine if we die to 70K and then we hold? Yeah, it is kind of itchy and I'm coughing. It says get me some Dayquil, some NyQuil. I might have to. What's up, Alfredo? But yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's not doing anything. Dominance is still hanging up. Dominance is not doing anything but holding, especially if we just go to the monthly. There's nothing to be bullish about. We're still holding the trend. Ethereum's not moving. Dang it. Let's see, monthly dominance is just holding strong. ASM. I mean, Ethereum doesn't look bad here. If you look at the monthly on Ethereum, this thing looks bullish as hell. The fact that we're getting stuck at this same area box looks like the old days of Caspa and Arrow when they blasted off out of these patterns. But if it's going to stay here, I mean, ETH here, if it's going to squeeze every last little drop out of this pattern, we just kind of bounce around here for a little bit. That's going to take us in the next summer before we're moving up. Can you guys imagine being bearish for the next 4 months? The same spot we're in. But yeah, overall, monthly macro ETH chart does not look bad at all. Antonio's in the house. Yeah, it wasn't ASM pumping. I'm sure we're going to get some sort of a pump soon. Maybe it is on the 20th when Trump gets in there. Oh my God, this marker. Yeah, just look at ASM on the monthly macro. Heading into the bull market, I keep clicking on this stupid marker. This very large double bottom, higher low pattern. Time to shoot to the moon for ASM. But yeah, ASM's sitting over the 0.5 here. It's making higher highs. It's just curling up now. Ooh. So your support is 43 and your resistance is 6 there. Yeah, and then we go high to the low. Yeah, you're right at the double 618. So if you can get over these 618s here, it'll confirm this move down and sideways is officially over on the short term and the macro. So big price to get over. Big price to get over for ASM is 666. Polyswarm. Yeah, what is Polyswarm doing? But yeah, I appreciate that, God. Need to get some more of that magic potion. What are we looking at? We looked at ASM. Oh yeah, Polyswarm. Polyswarm. Yeah, our trend is gone. I think I did an update on this one today. That's why the trend. But if you're not aware, the previous trend that we were holding, we got stuck at forever, but we're back over it. So we're in a good spot. We're over low to the high 382. So as long as you're over 4.5 and the 618 at 4.8, we are in a good spot, I would say. Just be careful because we did come up here and I told you guys we were going to get stuck above the 786, which it did. It came down. We're holding. You are holding bullish and holding that 618. But any lower than that, if you drop below 4.5, then we're just simply coming back down to finish the pattern here. Do this once again. Hit the 3.2 all the way down here at 2. Hold the higher low, and then at some point we'll go back up and make a higher high, if not to the moon. But you get the idea. If it falls below those levels there. Loading up on Polyswarm. That's what I'm saying. I think we need to bounce now. We need to get the next leg up on everything. Sharp. But it seems like the only thing having bull runs is XRP, XLM, H-bar. Because they look like they're about to run again. Oh, what is this? This thing's running. We had a chart for it, but I guess we never looked at it. I guess we can go to that low from that candle high. Let's see what it's telling us. You're over the 786. You came down and held the 618. It's getting stuck here though a lot. This same area. Let's see. Wonder why that is. Yeah, that could be the case if we don't use the first scam candle wick that came in and we use the next candle to the low. Yeah, it could be the 1618. All these candles, all these daily candles are getting stuck with wicks. So you need to close less than an hour left over 8.7. And that's really all you can say on this one. It's just all over the place. Yeah, so as long as you're above the 1414, I would say it's bullish, but it needs to hold over 8.7 here. And then if it can hold where it is now, a possible target would be another 40% move up to 13. But if not, triple top in play. You're about to go down. How long we been on here? An hour. How many people are here? 18. What's up, Hamid? Who's ignoring you? It's the first time you typed. What's up, Irina? Wormhole, please. Is that a coin? Wormhole. Wormhole token. Didn't know that was a thing. Sitting at 25.5 pennies. Wormhole, where'd this thing come from? What's up, CD? Yeah, let's get this thing started already. You asked for a Vertec on virtuals. I didn't see it. I still don't see it. Vertec. Yeah, there's no Hamid. Alright, let me look at this one first. Wormhole, and then Vertec on virtuals. So Wormhole, you're not bullish right now. You just pretty much smacked into the 382. You're down below the 236. You are holding higher highs, or higher lows rather. It looks like you made an even high, yeah. So right now you're below the 0.5, above the 618, but you are holding the trend here. So I guess another one here that needs to hold right where it is. What are we on, 3-day? So pretty much you need to stay over 23 and pull this down here. 23 is your last support, and then you're going to break the trend and just break down further if it's not going to hold, and then 26 is your price to beat, and then 382, 236 macro bottom in and bullish back over about 29. But this one here, the fact that it's getting stuck at the 382, you just use that as a level. Same thing with Ethereum and the older coins. As long as you're holding higher lows and you keep getting stuck here, the more the price comes up here and gets squeezed in this pattern, the more bullish it's going to be to move up. So if it holds up making higher lows and stays alive, and and then once you finally break out of the 41382 here, yeah, see this one, if it goes all the way to the end, would be April, May. Yeah, he says turn on the bull run already, but we may have to wait a while. We're about to get a little baby pump on everything because everything looks like it needs to pump. Everyone's going to get happy, the bull run's back, and then we're just going to smack right into, it'll be a sea of green over here. Everything will be up 50-60%. We're back, and then and then just shortly after that it's over. It's just death again for the next 3 or 4 months. Oh man. Alright, so this one, once you finally get back over the 236 there, and then over that other level, where can this one possibly go? New high on this one would be a 13x to about 350. AI Vertec. Have we looked at that one before? Come on. No, that's the AI 16Z coin. What is that one doing? Yeah, this one's about to go back up. Got its second little pullback. It's holding the trend. It's about to go. Alright, I'll go over to deck screener on this one. If it's going to hurry up. AI Vertec by Virtuals. This one, 564K market cap. Oh, this thing must have just came out, huh? Yeah, this is where you want to find them, where they're down here seemingly holding a bottom and not doing anything. Because we keep seeing these virtual coins just go. So yeah, if this is it, this is a good one. Charts down here doing nothing. We're below the 236. We're not bullish at all. But if it's going to be a runner, it's going to be a runner. Once you get over 9.5, the bottom is in, and then 12.8, you are bullish, and then this thing to shoot up to a new high from where you are right now. 5.5x to 2033 Vertec. Yeah, this is why I need to get some. I need to get some Solana and some Gamble base money so I can go buy some of these coins. Let's see here. Yeah, did you buy that one, Hamid? You could always go to 0 too, but I think the reward is outweighing the risk, especially on those virtual coins. What's up, PJ? Jerry the Turtle by Matt Fury. Jerry the Turtle, J-Y-A-I. J-Y-A-I, he says. Jerry the Turtle. Dang it. On base or Ethereum? I'd imagine it's Ethereum. 3 million market cap. It's got one of those charts to where it's just going up forever. $500 holders, 3 million market cap. This thing must have just came out, huh? Yeah, I guess we're on the 4-hour candles. Yeah, if you look at it on non-log, it looks like the start of a chart before it just goes vertical. So let me see here. What did I put on log? Trying to see where I could draw from. This is annoying. Alright, we'll just do it. We're playing around. Let's just see what it tells us. Alright, that one's already done. Yeah, this thing's just all over the place. I may have to do this one on log. Non-log. I guess it doesn't matter. Stupid chart. Yeah, I can't do anything with this. We'll just do it there. That high to that low. You're right on the 618 below the 786 here. So as long as you're over 4.5, you're holding. But like I said, it's a brand new coin. Very bullish looking chart here. Wicks all over the place. Straight up gamble play, I'd say. Can't even tell where this thing's going to run to. We can speculate, I guess. 100% move is up next to the 1272 new high. But it'll probably, since it's such a tiny fib, it'll probably just come all the way to the top at some point. So potential 21x in play, I guess. And then looking at it on the daily, yeah, this thing's about to just go vertical. Every time it does this, it forms the little triangle pattern, and then it just goes again. So yeah, not bad. It looks like it's in a perfect spot, unless it's going to go to 0. Same thing we're looking at here. What is up, Alex? How's it going? Flawless finishes, says Byko. Forgot about Byko. Antonio says FLR had to get more. STX, what is Stacks doing? Appears to be trying to die. May have just broke the trend. Yeah, I think it broke the trend because you're down below the 786 now and you're getting stuck all at this. It didn't make a lower high, so it could still be alive here. It just remains to be seen. Let's just simply do this low to the high. Come on. Down below the 618, just kind of hanging around. If I can get anything to work right. There's like a delay in everything I touch. Right now, you need to get back over 157 and then pretty much 180. Or 179 rather. Or else it's going to break down more. Yeah, like I said, not looking the greatest at the moment, short term if you zoom in, but Looks to be breaking down. Do you think this is the last pullback? I don't know what you mean by that. No, there'd be more pullbacks, even in a bull market. We just need to get another run in us. Or some things haven't even ran yet. BICO. Would you pick up some more flare? Sometimes when these charts look horrible, I just want to zoom all the way out and see what the hell's going on. Yeah, there's nothing bullish on BICO. It's going sideways and down. It's below the 236 here. If you believe in this project, I guess, and you think it's going to do something, now would be the time to buy. Well, not now, not financial advice, but you're not bullish in any way at the moment. And if we go simple low to the high here, yeah, you just hit the 618 and bounced. Now you're back above the 0.5, so that could have been it. Could it, off of the horrible market structure here, come back down and hit the 786 support, maybe back down to the low? Yes, it could, but that's a 26% drop down to 20. But you did just hit that 618, so as long as you're over that and getting over 4.1, support right now is 27 down to 24. And if you get back over 41, bottom is back in, bullish over 73, and breakout. Bull run for BICO confirmed over 182, the 618. Is he going to hit that? Alright, so a 618 retracement in a bull market is a 6.5x, and then if you think it's going to hit 350, be a 12.5x. Yeah, it looks like Beefy Finance. Beefy Finance is down here doing nothing. Look, he got that little run too. Out of the pattern, it had that little spike up, got stuck and pulled back. I think that's what we said last time we looked at it. Can't work because the weather's not letting you. Yeah, Bitcoin's not doing anything. There's nothing to check on it. It's just sitting here. Maybe we take that back. Come on. Trying to make it fit the narrative of what's holding, but I guess you can't do that. I mean, we're just still hanging around above 90K. You know what? Maybe the monthly tells better. We could just be in here. Where we're going to slowly come down 80K, hold the 382 to stay bullish, and then form a little bull flag like we did back here, and then we'll get that next leg up finally. I wonder if it did that back here. Uh-oh. We're repeating history here. Low to the high, it just did nothing forever. Monthly candles here, over the 236. One last wick down to 49K, and then it finally went. And if we zoom in, that's what we're doing right here. So 90K. And let's see what this news says. Current support is 92,000. Failure may take it down to 87.5 and further decline to 78K. I guess that's what the experts are saying. MOG. Sub bills. Yeah, we looked at XEN. XEN's doing nothing. It's still sitting on support. As long as you're over 26 on XEN, it's in a good spot. It's holding the 236 on the macro, and it's holding the 618 high to the low. So confirming this move from this high to the low is over because you're over 2.6 and you're over the 2.6 on the macro, so the bottom is in. So as long as you hold that, it's time to move up. So XCN, next big stop is a 2X. MOG, probably still in the same spot. She's holding right on support right now. So this 18.9 level is your price to hold. You're right on the 2272. Come on. I mean, you could draw this and draw some smaller steps along the way, but ultimately you're on support. If you lose that, you're dropping down to 17. But that could just pretty much tell you that it's going to drop all the way down. 27% plus. But it is on support right now. It needs to hold. Is it going to hold? No one knows. What is that? Oh, it's already played out. But yeah, the overall MOG chart doesn't look bad. It's still holding up here. It's holding support. You had another one MOG here. Really needs to get a bounce up to continue the overall structure here. Because if you end up dying down, then it's just going to break structure and it's over. Yeah, depending on where you want to draw this at. We counted here, we dipped below it, but we held. So you could be on the trend right now. And then this one, top of the fib, 1.5. If it's going to hit over a 50 billion market cap, which they say, you could see that as a massive, pretty much an 80x. You think MOG and Pepe and all these coins are going to hit 50 billion plus? What do you guys think? Bonk, Turbo. Oh yeah, someone asked for Turbo earlier. Yeah, Virtual's still holding up, I believe. Like I keep saying, Virtual was the play. Oh no, the top is in. Uh-oh. I don't remember what we said on Virtual last time. Yeah, we're gonna have to zoom this thing in. So you are below the 2618 here, but you can see every time it did the same thing. It pulled back and then it went, pulled back and then it went. It's pulling back a little harder than it has. Little fat red candle ruined the party. Spawned in and broke the trend and now got stuck. And now it's over. Had a good run. So just keep it simple. You're below that big, larger support. Yeah, you just hit the 618, low to the high. So any lower than 286, then that's the top for now. So this could very well be the bounce you need. Need to get back over 320, 340. But the fact that it hit and hit that perfectly is good. Yeah, how far is she down? 30%? %. Oh, let's see. But yeah, yet again, this one right here, I mean, if it's going to remain bullish here on the overall chart, which it is, it kind of needs to bounce right now off of that 618 and hold. Let's see, are we still live? Yeah. What's up, Maddie? What's up, Harlem? Caracas says he loves XEN. No way you're buying virtual. Yeah. We still have that other one we're looking at. I think Matthew was going to look into it. I don't remember. What was it called? I wanted to buy it, but too late. Well, it's not too late if it's still in the same spot. Oh, it broke down. It's unfortunate. It was holding this previous high here, but now it's breaking down. I don't know if this thing comes all the way back down. I don't know. Do your research on this one. This one could be the next virtual coin. But then everything's going to be the next something. And then it's nothing. XRP. What's up, Rainy Day? Had to pop in and drop a like. I appreciate that. Appreciate that a lot. Peak and XRP and math. XRP, yeah. XRP, XLM, HBAR. It's probably where the money needs to go into right now. Just sell everything and get into those coins, not financial advice. Yeah, XRP's trying to break out again. Strong move up, very bullish pattern, and she's moving again. But yeah, we've been saying that they look so good, these coins that moved hard. Oh, you're over the 618. If you can get over 265, she's gonna go. Potentially breaking out now over the 618. Maybe these coins will take off and run for the next week or however many days until the 20th. Yeah, Turbo is not doing anything. Someone said Turbo a billion times. Turbo's still down below the 1272 at 87 where we looked at it last time. It's still holding this little trend we have in play here. Ultimately, it's doing nothing but going sideways here. And if we go from this low to the high, let's see. Yeah, I don't think we did that before, so I guess it's good we looked at it. It's sitting right on the 382. Held back here, it's holding here, holding the trend. So 0078 is the price to hold at the moment. So it should get a bounce here. Or it looks like it needs to bounce here. It's holding higher lows. And then Turbo is one of the coins they say is going to 50 billion plus. So that makes our little 26 billion market cap 45, 46, 47x, 48x to 40 cents look like nothing. They laugh at that. Yeah, you think a different narrative's about to go? What is that going to be? Peak. Oh, peak. Oh, it's over for peak. Are you holding peak? Because she's done. This thing just double topped. If it does not hold 4.5 here, 4.59, pretty much 46. It just broke the trend, I guess, from the last time we looked at it. I had to cough again, I'm sorry. Yeah, peaked out. It's done. Double topped with a lower high. And now you're falling below the support you need to hold. Man. You're right at the 382 here, so we'll leave this up. Any lower, I'll just draw a box. Peak has to bounce here. There we go. Any lower than this box, 4.4 up to 4.59, and it's done. Especially off of a double top like that, this thing's going to come and retrace way down. I hope SHIB hits all-time high. I think it will, especially now that the older coins are all running like they are. Or not all of them, but some of them. I think SHIB will perform well. I think it's going to hit 100 billion market cap. I'll say buy now. Things are near bargain prices if the market can hold up. That's the big question. Can it hold up? He said look at JFK, take a small bag, and wait for Trump to release the declassified files. Yeah, we looked at that the other day, didn't we? What is that on? Solana? Oh yeah, math. Math, what is math doing? Bunch of nothing. Yeah, I see math here too. Math is on the support. Sitting right on the, oh no, it's below the 618. Let's see, pull this down. Ultimate low to the high, 0.5. Yeah, I mean, math right now, you're below the 618, you're above the 786, but you're just simply holding the trend here. We can even pull this down, I guess, to the wicks, and then we'll just say the support needs to hold at 20. So math right now looks like it's still dropping. What, another 12%. And it should be a trend in 20 at 786. Should be the bottom, unless it's going to break down also. And then math, if math can hit $5, that would give you a 20x, just under $1 billion market cap. And if you want to be extremely bullish, 12, 12.75, $13, 2.3 billion market cap for a 55x. What's math on the monthly look like? Doesn't look too good on the monthly. Yeah, peak does not look good, my man. I mean, it could hold. It is crypto. Everything's like right there where it needs to bounce. Never know. Wake up tomorrow and the market's back to being green. What's up, Flip Coins? I don't know if I said that or not. How you doing? Mobile? Yeah, we looked at mobile. We're almost there. Maybe, unless the 20th is nothing. Which it probably will be nothing. Yeah, we looked at mobile earlier. It's coming down to the final supports, the trend. So everything is coming down to this final level, final support, final trend. There's nowhere to go but up, or we're all going to die here. Yeah, 8% drop, 7.9 is your price to hold on mobile. Or new low is in play, potentially. Mobile, if it could ever wake up and make a new high, I don't know why we don't have this marked out. Penny and a half, 20x. 2 pennies would be 1.7 billion, 30x almost. But yeah, I think it's time to go up already. Elon looking good to buy. Oh, I think I read that. Yeah, Elon hasn't done anything yet. What does Elon on the monthly look like? Not looking too bad on the monthly. Big old double bottom with a higher low. Bottom is in. Once it breaks the 3-2, these monthly candles getting stuck here. She's gone. So hopefully Elon waits and stays below 3-3 so I can get in. If I ever get in. Yeah, Elon doesn't look bad at all on the monthly. At least we're doing better than people in California. Yeah, someone here said they were from Cali. There's a couple people here in Cali, I think. Agent 2025 only at a 500 million market cap. What is that on? He says Turbo. Yeah, we looked at Turbo. I'll look at it again. But Turbo's on the final support level too. What am I doing? Agent 2025. It's probably over on the other thing. Yeah, I think your other coins died, didn't they? Flip coins. Billy's dead. What are we looking at? Dogelon, Turbo. But yeah, we just looked at Turbo. Turbo here. Let's go down to the 3-day candles. Sitting on this little trend, low to the high, sitting right on the 3-2. So your support is 7-8. Excuse me. So it must hold, or Turbo is going to end up breaking down. 7-8's the price, and 8-7's the price to get back over. And you're right on the trend, holding higher lows, holding the bullish support. So it's time to go up on Turbo. Is that a virtuals coin, Matthew? Let me see what you say. He's just hanging on. Billy is toast. Yeah. Can't believe Billy died like that. It's crazy. Yeah, I don't know if you were here yesterday, but I told the guys that were here last night. There wasn't very many people in here. But the new lead, the new lead or the new dev on Soul Orty actually messaged me on Twitter. He saw one of the videos that I made on it, and he's gonna let me know when they finish rebranding and everything. I think he wants me to do another update on it. But they're rebranding and everything right now on Soul Orty. Agent 2025. Let's see, what am I looking for? Yeah, with virtuals potentially topping out, are these coins gonna hold up? Agent 2025 on base. $300K market cap. 50,000 holders. What are we on daily? 4 hour. She's clearly getting stuck at something. Come on. So it looks like the 382, it's stuck right below it at the moment. What are we on? 4 hour candles. Yeah, if you go to the daily candles here, they're getting stuck right here at 208 or 205. So if you can get a candle over this, then this thing will shoot up. I know it looks retarded right now, but just trying to give you the idea. It's such a tiny new chart. So bottom in over 1.6, bullish over 2. Next move is a 4.5x. I just will just leave it at that for now. Agent 25, 2025. Let's see here. Make sure we're still live. Luna Classic's never going to a penny. What about Myro? Oh, we got flip coins for 20. I appreciate that, my man. Finally got some bullish, something bullish in the stream. I appreciate that. It's been dead all week. I appreciate that a lot. He says flip coins are short in the market. Nah, he's been holding some coins that have been dying. BTC's going to 70K. What are we looking at? But yeah, Turbo's at the spot where it needs to bounce. Myro's trying to hold on. Did I spell that wrong? Myro, let's see. Yeah, she's still trying to hold the bottom here. Oh no, it's over. You would think Myra would be a good one for this cycle, but I don't know. She's dying. Chasing after Billy. So, the weak dogs are getting picked off. Oh my god. Didn't I hear a long time ago that devs left Myro? Is that a thing? It's not controlled by anyone? Yeah, she just broke down. You have 1 day left to stay alive. The weekly candle has to hold 5-6 here. 3-day daily candle already closed below it, and you're getting stuck at it. Yeah, we got this marked out here. If Myro doesn't hold up, she's going back down to 4 pennies. Let's see. There we go. Used car for flip coins. I appreciate that 20, my man. I mean, it's been absolutely dead all week. one or two little super chats in every live stream. Excuse me. Alright, almost died again. Used car, Sorority. Yeah, Sorority's still holding up, I guess. Used car. She's surprisingly still holding up. I know there's a lot on the screen, but our little trend here is holding. Oh yeah, it's right on that final support level too. I don't know, you can't see this because everything's backwards. Because they want to erase everything. Let me move these. There we go. But you're right at this final 786 support. Even though you broke below it, you're still right there in that general area, which I can move this up a little bit. So it needs to get back over 4.8, and then of course the 236.0072 here to confirm the bottom is back in, and of course the 618 at that same level. But I'd keep it that simple. As long as this little trend holds, if it breaks down lower than this trend, then it's over. It's just going to follow Billy. But I think used car is a lot stronger than Billy. I mean, this could be it. This could be the best time to get in on used car. If I had the gamble money, I probably would. Just to see what happens. Throw $100 and get 118x. Up to 55. I'm just curious, how low did Billy go? No, she's still going down. Did you get out of Billy? Because this thing's just done, it looks like. I think you cut your losses on this one. Not financial advice, but she's going to drop another 30%, it looks like. Jeez. Let's see. Yeah, I guess it's ripped to Myro and Billy. First two sacrifices of the bull market, I guess. Yeah, I hope it is rainy day. I hope the bottom is in. I don't care if it's a wick down or what, but we really got to go up. Is it snowing there? No. I don't think so. No. I think we're supposed to get ice storms next week. This next coming week. It's going to be brutal because the snow was horrible. Miria and Morph AI. Yeah, everyone hit the like button. I didn't do a poll or anything today. Mir AI. Are you talking about Mirror or Miria? We've looked at Morph before. I believe we did. Yeah. Morph AI. What is this thing doing? Breaking the trend, breaking down because we're taking too long. Let's see. So we're going to push the narrative a little bit here. We're going to pull this and just maneuver our trend. There we go. We fixed it. You're no longer bearish. But keeping it simple. Let's see here. What are we doing? High to the low. Yeah, you're still holding over the 3-2, right at the trend, right at the other 2-3-6 here. So as long as you're over 11 up to 11.5, you're bullish here and you're holding. You're bullish on the macro larger one and you're bullish here. And the bottom is confirmed in. So here's another one. Just as we looked at it last time, even though we had to push the thing around, it's holding up. Final support levels are it's going to start breaking down. So it either needs to go up or the top is in. But overall bullish chart. This thing just went up and went sideways. Now it's holding. And you got bullish divergence, hidden divergence. Higher high, or higher low, and then a lower low on the stock RSI on the daily here. So another thing telling us we should get a bounce. Dang it. All right. And then I don't know where this thing's going. I guess the top of the fib. What are we at? 12 pennies. So if this thing hits $1, let's do this real quick. I don't know how much longer we're going to be on here, to be honest. Yeah, if this thing can hit $1, you're getting an 8x, 8.5x. Virtual is overrated. There's no telling. I have no idea if the bottom is in. We're so bearish it should be. And then when we get to the other side, when everyone's bullish and thinks, you know, when everyone's bullish, the top will be in again. You're just gonna, at this point, you're just holding Billy, hope it bottoms. Look at ORT, it's consolidating at the 0.14 range. Are you still getting snow over there, my man? I typed your name in. What am I looking for? ORT. ORT. Or it is down below the 236 here. Let's see, weekly candles. It's still holding the higher lows, so we'll do this once again. So it really needs to hold this 14.4 here. But yeah, it's been going sideways on this 14 level. Yeah, that's what you said, 14. What is this, 3-day candles? Yeah, we already got a 3-day and a daily candle close below the 236, and it's getting stuck at that level. As you can see there, all these held, and then now we broke. So the only thing holding this thing up may be the trend. Come on, you can do it. This is what we just looked at on the other one. It needed to come up and make the higher high, and now it looks like it wants to break down. So let's move this out of the way. Yeah, you're down below the 236 and the 0.5 now. 14. Doesn't have to be perfect though. Clearly resistance here, support here, so there's an area you're holding. But yeah, it's going sideways, consolidating there. BTT just popped. What is BTT? BTT. Never heard of it. BTT. Oh, BitTorrent? Isn't this an old one? Alright, which one? Because apparently there's a new one. Did they rebrand or something? BitTorrent new? I don't know what that means. BitTorrent new. Oh yeah, BitTorrent new on Tether. KuCoin. Jeez. Wormhole. Yeah, I don't see a pop. Maybe it's on the old one. It's the same thing with what? Luxo, I believe it was. There's an old Luxo chart and there's a new Luxo. So if you don't look at the right one, you're looking at the wrong one. He says our meme coin's scared. Apparently. Yeah, I don't know if there's an old chart or not for BitTorrent. Yeah, ain't nothing popping. What is this? Bitfinex chart. Let's see, we still got 18 people in here. How long we've been live? Everyone hit the like button. Probably coming to the end of this one today. We'll be back on here tomorrow. Yeah, 2 hours again. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Went over a lot, I think. I mean, like I said, these things got to start holding up and bouncing. Or what, Sunday? Yeah, I don't know if you were saying Miria earlier. You might have been. Uh, I know we have a Miria chart. Yeah, Mexi. Yeah, I used to own Miria on Mexi back in the day. I say back in the day, but it must have been a year or so ago. Miria chart looks horrible. We're on the daily, that's why. Yeah, I know this is a gaming coin, but it doesn't look great. It's just going sideways. Made a lower low. Now it's down below the 236, starting to die here. So as long as you're below 18, the bottom is not in, but it's just going sideways in the range here. I can't talk anymore. All right. Uh, T13 with the question marks again. Yeah, we looked at what you said. It's consolidating at that range, but it's also breaking below support, just below that 14 and a half. So it is holding the trend. It is holding higher lows. But yeah, it's been consolidating there for a while. It needs to hold. What's up, Talish? Welcome to the end of the live stream. Dustin back in here with the solo and the corium. But yeah, everyone please hit the like button. We looked at H-bar, XRP, and XLM look extremely well at the moment. I think XRP is already starting to move. But they had those really decent runs to the upside, and then they formed rather the bullish patterns they're in. H bar is one of them, so we all should have just bought H bar and XRP. Come on, where's H bar? Yeah, see, H bar here is holding up in this bull flag. You could even say this is a continuation triangle pattern, whatever you want to call it. At some point soon, I think H bar is about to go. Like I said earlier, there's no reason for these coins to pump up this high and then just come, consolidate in these patterns and just die back down. That'd be pretty stupid. So I think this thing's getting ready to go, along with XLM and XRP. So it's holding up. If we do simple high to the low, you're back over the 382, so you're bullish over 28. It looks like the breakout is going to be over the 618 and the 786. So once this thing gets over 32, then that'll pretty much confirm you're breaking out. It looks like 3-day candle. Yeah, get a 3-day candle up over that and you're good. Yeah, I think XRP, H-bar, and XLM are about to start flying again. And everything else is just sitting in the dust doing nothing. Just watching. Just watching these big coins take off. Yeah, XRP's taking off, huh? XRP Hex. But yeah, everyone hit the like button. We're about to end this. We'll be back on here tomorrow. I gotta rest my voice apparently. XPR. Yeah, I told you guys before I have XRP Classic in one of my, I think it's my MetaMask wallet. I don't even know what it is, but it's called XRPC, XRP Classic. I think it's a scam. Yeah, we broke over the 618 here. Oh, you got a daily close above it. Yeah, XRP's about to go. Dang. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I did put the Slava, you reminded me to put the XRP wallet in the descriptions. I think it's there. But I didn't know you had to put it with a, if you look in the description, if you're on able to. Oh, come on. You have to put it with a memo. Oh no, it's not here. What the hell? Never mind. I take all that back. It's not there anymore. I'll add it after the live stream and then you can go look at it and see if I did that right. Because you got to have the XRP wallet and then you got to have the little memo below it. But I'll put it in the description when we end this in just a few moments. XRP to the moon. Alright, I appreciate you guys being here. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Hopefully these coins pop off tomorrow and you guys start making money again. And we get something going. He says Solo and Corium about to go up. Yeah, they have very good looking charts. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys just a minute to get your last comments in and hit the like button. And I'll just quickly bring up Solo and Corium real quick as you guys walk out the door and smash the like button. Yeah, this thing looks like it's starting to try to break out. Corium. Yeah, Corium's breaking out. She done left the station, left us behind. Yeah. Excuse me. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in here. I appreciate Flipcoins for the nice super chat there earlier. I appreciate all you guys that come in here and give me super chats. The channel, like I said, has been dead lately. It's pretty brutal. Revenue's down. But that's why I keep streaming every day and making the updates. Got to keep grinding away. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look out for the updates. Go share, like, subscribe, whatever you have to do. I appreciate it, my guys and girls. I can barely talk anymore. I gotta go to some kind of medicine. But yeah. Yeah, didn't we look at Phoenix? I'm trying to sneak one in there. Phoenix for the win at the end. How do you spell that? Yeah, Phoenix double bottomed. It's back above the 3-2, so over 5-4 you're bullish, and then once you get over 5-9 up to 6, macro bullish. Large wick can play, but it all going to depend. You have to stay over 5-4 to stay bullish here. But macro bottom is in over 5-0. So it needs to get over 6.2 to be bullish here. Not the greatest looking wick on the candle. So I would simply watch the support level 550 to 54. And with that said, now I appreciate you guys being here. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, everyone.